Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Tiffany and I upload a new homemaking video every Sunday. Today I am flying by the seat of my pants. I just got back from the grocery store and I have 2 hours to get all of the salads that I want to make prepped for the week. So I thought I would bring you along with me because I have 3 that I'm really excited about. They're more fall inspired. I have an apple bacon salad, I have a cranberry pecan salad, and then I also have a beet salad that I want to share with you. So come with me and I'll let you know what I'm talking about. As you can see here, I'm excited to get to work. I am rolling up my sleeves and putting my hair up and getting ready to get a bunch of stuff done in here. I go to the grocery store pretty much every Monday morning, and then I spend the afternoon before I go to work putting together some meals or some salads. A lot of times if I'm really busy, I will buy pre-made salads. But this week I was feeling the seasons changing and I was excited to incorporate some hearty ingredients into my husband's salads this week. We save so much money by prepping food at home. It would be so expensive for him to buy these salads out and about, and I think they taste better from home anyway. This is just kind of a fun way that I like to love on him and try and make his life better. We are good about doing that for each other. I am going to start by frying up some bacon, and I always joke that I am really overachieving at my week when I fry up bacon for salads because it's our favorite ingredient. Maybe it's not the healthiest, maybe it is the healthiest. I don't know, but I love it and I'm gonna eat it. Here you also see me have everything out on the counter that I'm going to use. So I start with greens and I distribute those into all the bowls that I'm going to use. And I'm gonna be making all of these salads all at the same time. So you'll see me putting ingredients together. Some of them go in multiple salads, some of them just go in one. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to share each individual salad ingredient list with you so that you can put them together yourself if you want. The first salad I'm putting together here is just a traditional salad with spinach, carrots, cucumber, tomato, bacon, cheddar cheese, and chicken. I recommend putting this salad with ranch, honey mustard, or an Italian vinaigrette, but there are a lot of dressings that this salad will taste good with. Another thing I want to tell you is that when I get tomatoes, I get cherry tomatoes, but I make sure to cut them in half because I don't know if you've ever experienced this, but it's really hard to get a cherry tomato that's not cut onto a fork. It's just kind of hard to stab, so I make it easier by cutting the tomato in half. I also like to peel and cut up my own carrots. They taste better. Now I'm just going to cut up an apple, and this is for my apple bacon salad. This salad has romaine lettuce, apple, bacon, dried cranberries, goat cheese, walnuts or pecans, and then I use apple cider vinegar, honey mustard, or champagne vinaigrette for my dressing, or the dressing. I also like to use Honeycrisp or Pink Lady or Gala apples. So I think those have the best flavor that go with the bacon and the cranberries, but it's up to you. You can just use up whatever apple you have lying around. The next salad I'm gonna make is a cranberry pecan salad. I used to get this salad all the time when I lived in New York at Whole Foods, and I am still obsessed with it. And it is spinach, dried cranberries, pecans, goat cheese, chicken or steak, and then balsamic vinaigrette. It's pretty simple, not a ton of ingredients. And the thing I like about that salad is that you can keep the dried cranberries and the pecans in your cabinet for a long time. The next thing I'm gonna put together is this beet salad. I buy pre-cooked beets. It's so handy because beets are a little bit of a pain to cook. They really stain your hands. You have to wear gloves when you peel them, and I feel like it's just a lot of work, and you can buy them with the work already done for you. So that's what I do. And this salad is spinach, cooked beets, walnuts or pecans, goat cheese, chicken or steak. And this salad also is awesome with roasted sweet potatoes in it. I was going to make it that way today, but my sweet potatoes had gone bad from the week before. so I didn't, but definitely try that. And this goes well with balsamic vinaigrette as well. I also had a lot of extra beets, and these would last for a couple weeks in the fridge. So what I did was just cut them up, and then I used them again the next week for when I made salads again. I used candied nuts on this week, but when I'm not eating sugar, I use raw nuts. So it's just up to you and what you're trying to achieve with your diet this week. The week that you do your meal prep, my husband loves walnuts, I love pecans, so I distribute them according to whose salad I'm working on. So you'll see me use both here. But it's really easy to make everybody happy sometimes, so I just do it. And I bought this goat cheese that was already crumbled up, and it made things go so fast. I crumble it up from like the goat cheese logs that you can get, but this was just fast, so I did it this way this week. The last salad I want to tell you about is the chicken Caesar that I put together, and that's a common salad. I debated putting the ingredients list up, but in case you don't know, it is romaine lettuce, Parmesan cheese, croutons, and chicken. Also use Caesar dressing. But I love a good chicken Caesar salad once in a while, and it was just a great different addition to this week. I also use rotisserie chicken to put on the top. You can buy already cooked grilled chicken, but I like the rotisserie chicken because it's just so juicy and delicious. One other tip I'm going to give you when you are cutting up your bacon is just use some scissors. Scissors are my best friend in the kitchen. I feel awkward using a knife still, and I'm not fast when I use a knife. So I like to use scissors, and it makes everything go so much faster, and I feel a lot safer with them. So you got to do what works for you, you know? I feel like all of these salads turned out great this week. My husband loved them, and hopefully you will too. And now, as I finish up here, I just want to make sure to give you all a peek at what they look like when they're finished. And I will list all of the ingredients for these salads in the description box below as well. I made it just in time to clean up the kitchen and get to work on time. So I did really well with my 2-hour time frame. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Give it a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you'd like to see more of my homemaking videos. And I will see you next Sunday, friends. I hope. Anyway, bye.